Alright guys, today we're working on the elevator assembly, step 4. We need to cleco and rivet together the elevator spar, the main spar, elevator rib 1 right, and elevator rib 1 left. We're going to cleco them in and rivet them in here like this. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 4 took 30 minutes to complete. Total build time so far is 49 hours 15 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.